Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to mine in Warframe. Mining allows you to gather valuable resources used for crafting Warframe weapons and other items. To begin, start by opening your navigation, then go to Earth and select Cetus. From Cetus, get the no-sound cutter from the old man, Sumbat. You can also go to Venus, then head to Fortuna. In Fortuna, get the Sunpoint plasma drill from Smokefinger. Next, go to Deimos and enter the Necralisk. If it is not unlocked yet, unlock it first. Once unlocked, go to Otak, the mining NPC, and get the lazulite cutter. After purchasing a mining tool, equip it from your arsenal while inside a safe zone. Next, head to open world areas such as Cambion Drift or Orb Valis. Once inside the open world, press the gear key and select your mining tool. Look for glowing mineral veins on rocks. Red veins indicate ores and blue veins indicate gems. Aim at the vein and carefully follow the glowing pattern to complete the mining process. Successfully mining a vein will reward you with resources used for crafting. That's it. You've learned how to mine by buying a mining tool, equipping it, finding mineral veins in open world areas, and extracting resources from them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.